Today, I'll show you how to do your BitBNS crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly. Welcome back to another integration video. Today we're talking about BitBNS. This is a exchange we've covered in the past, but there's been some updates and it's definitely time for a update video. So just like before, I'll show you how to do the integration, then I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. And then lastly, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'll leave a bunch of different resources down below. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. So BitBNS was founded in 2017 and they are currently based out of India. It is a top 200 exchange by trading volume. They have a wide feature set from basic trading to derivatives to staking and a bunch of other features. Obviously, you're probably using it for a bunch of different things. Let me know what those things are in the comments down below. And let's go into the integration. So first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, create one. It's completely free to sign up and follow along. And then we're gonna go into our wallets area. We're gonna click on add wallet. We're gonna type in BitBNS and there it is. So there's two different options, the setup auto sync and then the import from file. I'll show you both. Let's start off with the setup auto sync. And one small note here, margin trades are not supported at this time. So you will need to use CSV files to import that data. So whether you'd like to go entirely down the CSV route or you'd like to do a combination of API and then CSV file for these missing margin trades, you can go do that. The choice is yours, but let me show you where to get these API keys. Okay, we're logged into the platform. In the top part of the website, we're gonna go into the more area and then we're gonna click on API trading and then we're gonna click on generate new keys. We are only interested in read only. So we're gonna click that one and then we're gonna create a new key. And then we're going to copy this public key and we're gonna paste it here. And then we have this secret key and we're gonna paste that here and click secure import and there you have it. And one thing to note here is store the secret key somewhere safe. Once generated, it won't be shown to you again. If for some reason you do want to, let's say, see the public key and secret key again, you will have to create a new one. So definitely keep that in mind. And another note here, which I just realized, says API would take up to 15 minutes to activate from the time of generation. So please be patient. If your data doesn't start importing right away, it can take up to 15 minutes. Okay, so that's one way to get your data into Koinly. Remember, we're still missing the margin trades. Now I'll show you where to get the CSV files, also the margin trade CSV files. So let's click import from file and let's go back into their platform. Okay, so back on their platform, we're gonna go into the orders tab and then we're gonna go into trade history. And then from here, we're gonna go into trade report. So we have three different CSVs to obtain here if we are going the full CSV route. If we are looking to do a combo with the API and the CSVs, we would just do the margin trades because the other information is given with the API. But same procedure for all three files. You would click on trade history. You would select a date. So it would be from the first trade, the first day you made this account till, your entire trade history. Make sure everything is covered. So if you've had this account for, let's say, a couple years, 3 years, you would want all 3 years worth of that data. And then you would do the same for deposit and withdrawal. And you would do the same for margin trades. So I don't know, if I'm just gonna do this as an example, let's say January 1st till April 12th, I would click mail report. And then it would be in my email and then we would take that report or those reports and drag and drop them into Koinly. And it's as simple as that. And once your transaction history has been imported, you can go into transactions and check under the hood, make sure everything is sitting correctly with you. If you have any type of staking, make sure that's tagged correctly. Send to pool, send from pool. I've made videos on that. And then once you're happy with everything there, you can go into your tax reports area to get one final summary of your crypto activity throughout the year. And here you can check all kinds of interesting things like your capital gains, your other incomes, your other gains, your income, your costs and expenses, your gifts and donations. And then when you're happy with everything you see there, scroll on down and select a tax report appropriate for your needs. And we have plenty of different reports. So for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax both online and desktop versions. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, And then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries, we have the complete tax report, which, keep in mind, is a document you can print off and give directly to your accountant, or you can invite them alternatively to our website to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, what I tell everyone is check your country's rules and regulations, because this tax report might be deductible. But that'll do it for today's video. If you need further assistance, I'm going to leave a bunch of different resources down below, starting off with the Koinly Help Center, where you're going to find countless different resources on crypto tax related topics. We have a forum section if you want to talk to members of our community as well as our staff. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. And then lastly, if all else fails, send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. But I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like, subscribe for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.